Role of the pancreas. It was in 1869 Paul Langerhans, a medical student in Berlin, found groups of cells in the pancreas. These later were called the islets of Langerhans. Eduardo Lages later suggested that they might produce secretions that play a regulatory role in digestion. The origins of the insulin of the term Insel, the German word for the island or small island. In 1889, the German psychologist Oskar Mankowski and his colleague Professor von Mering at the University of Strasbourg investigated the role of the pancreas and further investigated the role of the pancreas that performed a pancreatectomy in a dog. They found that the dog passed copious amounts of urine. The urine was found to be loaded with sugar and the dog was diabetic.
The researchers found that the pancreas delivers digestive enzymes through a pipe into the gastrointestinal tract and also controls group of cells known as islets of Langerhans. Its function to produce insulin on the liver is directly in the blood sequence. Discovery of insulin. In 1921, Canadian scientists Frederick G. Banting, Charles H. Pett, Chichi R. McLeod, and discovered insulin calling from chains B. They found insulin to be a small protein that lowers blood sugar. They extract the insulin of the cells of the animal pancreas. The pancreas were given by the researchers at the University of Toronto so that diabetics all over the world could use the benefits of insulin.
The role of insulin today. Insulin is a hormone produced by an abdominal gland called the pancreas. This organ is composed mostly of cells with functions related to digestion. Often, insulin therapy is an important part of the treatment for diabetes. Insulin plays an important role in the body since it regulates the sugar in your bloodstream. The main role of insulin is to keep the level of glucose in the bloodstream within a normal range and store the excess glucose to obtain energy. The imbalance of the delicate mechanism that control blood glucose levels can result in the development of diabetes mellitus. This defect may be due to the total absence of insulin, in which case diabetes is called type 1, or because the tissues that normally respond to it develop resistance, as in type 2 diabetes. The inevitable consequence of any type of diabetes is the inability of our body to take advantage of nutrients, specifically carbohydrates, sugars, and starches, which causes a shortage of glucose within the cells despite the fact that there is an abundance of glucose in the cell's blood.